Okay, go.
Just bought this.
Nasty.
Real larvettes from around the world. We all gonna eat one. Survival, man versus wild.
Wait.
Press it.
No, leave it.
Right
Just
here?
leave it. Yeah.
How you open this?
Just like
Oh, come on! Chill! How you open it?
See, I got his little larvette just now.
Shut up! At least I don't have a vagina.
I have a vagina.
I love my
Here,
vagina.
Philip, come on.
no.
Come on.
You ate a bird.
Here goes nothing.
Ew.
It's real. Look, you can see tiny legs on it.
To drink. Ew.
Crunchy.
You lied.
Eat what?
You lied like
Come on.
shit.
Like-
You lied like
It
shit.
tastes like
nigga.
nothing. Tastes like chicken.
Ew.
Tastes like chicken. Come on, for real. No, I'll eat it again.
No, you heard that.
No, you have to get 4. Line them up on your teeth.
No, like take the whole bag, like.
It tastes like cheese. It's cheese flavor. It tastes like cheddar cheese.
So potato chips are potato flavor, but you still cheese flavor.
It's like potato chips. Try it.
Okay, first off, potato chips don't look like penises, unless they're cheese puffs.
You feed me.
Come on.
I can't even see. No, make one go first. My face.
Philip,
Didn't you?
you agreed to
Were
this.
you born in
You
Vietnam?
know why you have to do
Come
this.
on.
You agreed to this.
Weren't you born in Vietnam?
No. Jimmy,
Weren't you born in Vietnam? Come on.
Jimmy, you know Fee has to do this.
I
Philip,
have a drink.
my man.
Alright.
Oh, you want this one?
Homosexual couple, remember
Can I
that.
get a small one? Can I do this?
Look cute.
Yo, ew.
Come on. Don't be a pussy, man.
Let me see.
It's dry.
Ew. Ew.
Ah, you just wasted like 1 cent.
I'm touching it. I feel like it's moving in my hand.
It's dead.
That shit was alive. It was alive. I can eat raw fish, but I can't eat this. Are you kidding me?
I can't.
Yo, look how cute I look. My hair is curled. I can't see you. You guys can't see me.
Oh shit.
You can find her Lillian something at Tumblr.
I did shit.
Lillian
Give me
Baby.
shit.
Lillian Baby at
Give me
Tumblr.com.
shit.
Lillian Babe. Tumblr.com.
Come on. Philip.
De La Ghetto. De La Ghetto.
J-Lock Ghetto, you know what it is.
Tumblr. Mac Awesome. Tumblr. Tammy. I don't know my name. Sandy. Sandy.
Come on. It's good for you. I got
really
it.
about to do this
shit? Yeah, see?
Yo, she gangster, yo.
Where?
Yo.
See, look. I'll eat it with you.
Yo, I'm about to add you on Facebook. You gangster.
Where? Yeah.
You better watch this next dude you kiss, yo. Damn.
Alright.
She's more man than you, Philip.
Oh.
It's not nasty. It's potato chips.
Yo, chip my ass.
Ew.
Got like, wow. I don't know how that
I have academic support with her.
Come on. See, she even ate one.
Ew.
She nasty.
Obviously, she ain't getting nothing tonight.
She a man.
Come on,
She a
Lily.
man.
I would love you. Come on.
You should already love me just for even looking at it. Why?
Come on. I'll do whatever you want.
I hate bugs.
Can you eat one?
Yes, I will.
I hate
Okay.
bugs.
Eat that out, kiss lock.
I'll fucking kill you, man. I'll kill you.
Either that or kiss me.
Eat that out,
Kiss
kiss.
me? I'd rather
Phil
kiss
kiss me. Phil said he kiss you if you eat that.
Will you guys all trade kisses if I eat this?
Not with these motherfuckers.
Kiss her.
Especially
No.
when not my cousin. This thing.
This nigga.
Eat one. I'll
Shut up, you're the one who made out with me.
Ew.
That's right.
That is
You guys, shut up. We all made out with each other. Okay, you're the one.
Apparently you did too, Jimmy. My sources.
What sources?
Ew.
Eat it. I'll
Eat
kiss
it.
lock right now.
Fuck no, fuck no.
Ew, we're on the ground.
That shit was on my face, yo.
Just
Step on it.
Put it. Where?
Eat it. Jimmy! Eat it.
I'll eat it again.
J-Lock Ghetto, remember that.
Come on. I'll eat it with you.
You can eat a dick with it. That's so gay, yo.
Come on.
Hurry up.
Just close your eye.
It's been 5
I
minutes
can't
already.
see.
Come on. You're wasting battery.
Battery in my.
Alright.
I better
It's in
edit
5
this crap
minutes.
out.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Come on!
I'm scared.
Yo.
Have one of them do it first. What does it say? Before I eat it.
What?
What does it say? What does it say?
May cause AIDS.
Hold on.
Stop it. Why not?
What does it say? Can I see it? It doesn't say anything?
We'll lead to Asian.
You'll give people something.
Because it tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken. I told you it tastes like chicken.
I'm scared.
I told you it tastes
And
like
when you
chicken.
guys do it, I'll do it after
I
one
did
more
like
person.
5 times. Go.
Hurry up.
I am so cute. Just keep it on me.
Just.
Tumblr,
Close
hit
your
me
eyes,
up.
close your eyes.
I just ate a bug.
You didn't.
See?
What did you really?
I was about to, but you guys just all turned and looked at me.
Okay, I won't look. Go.
Look at him dance over there.
Oh, you guys.
That's B, Philip, Jimmy, Lillian, and Locke.
Day Lock Ghetto.
They Lock Ghetto.
Right? J Mac.
No.
J Mac.
Mac.
Day Lock Ghetto.
Can we please move on?
Okay. I'm scared.
Oh no, I'm not touching that.
No.
Ask someone randomly on the street to eat one.
This is some motherfuckers way else music. Do you want to eat this larvae? No.
Can I break this one?
Larvae.
Yeah, go ahead. You can eat half of it.
Ew, it like disintegrates in your ew.
I don't want to take a new one. Wasted one.
Steak crickets.
You eat it yet? Really?
Come on, Lillian.
Yeah, right.
Ew, look at that.
Yeah.
Which one looks smallest?
Just eat it. Be cool.
Last
Smallest.
penis.
Right here.
Chill. Chill.
We're gonna eat one?
See the necklace?
Can I have
See the
some?
necklace?
That's
No.
nasty. But you can...
Stop! Oh, fuck!
What you sound like when you bust. Just ask.
It's more godly than that.
Oh, wait.
It's like
I'm scared.
It doesn't taste like it doesn't taste like it tastes like cheddar. It tastes like cheese.
Come on.
You said it tastes like chicken. Why are you lying to me? I don't want it now.
no,
Chicken
tastes
tastes like
good.
cheese.
It even says it.
Okay, yeah, it's a reverse
Yes, but
side.
he said it tastes like cheese.
Cause it's cheddar
Always
cheese.
do like
Duh, it's
the
cheese,
reverse
cheddar cheese
side.
flavored chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I definitely want some of that now. Because
Come on.
It's like this. But because it's wet though.
No one can look at you.
Splash.
except for her.
Nice. This looks cool. No. It's gonna go like a
Can
screaming
you
splash.
do it, please?
Philip.
Lock.
Damn, you just made a
Can you
line.
If black do it, I'll do it.
Lock,
Come on, Lock.
please.
What up?
If you do it, I'll do it.
It's not seafood.
One, I don't eat seafood.
It's not seafood.
Two, I don't eat anything penis shaped.
It's not penis shape.
Yes, it
Except
is.
Like a
Philip.
moon.
This is like Fiend's penis shape.
It's like that one dude.
They look at guys' penises together,
You don't understand.
but they're straight.
You don't understand.
Oh my
They-
god.
Gay.
They might be gay. He's straight.
Maybe.
What?
You see his glitter in his hair?
We should go ask one of them to eat it.
This shit is dope, son.
Go get one of them G's over there to eat it. Should I go say something now?
No, you always go. Be like, I'll give you my number if you guys.
You give Carol a rookie number.
I'll do it. Come on.
That'd be so
Let's
pro.
ask if they would eat it.
It's been 9 minutes. Come on.
Turn it up.
Turn it on.
Okay.
So dope.
Bye, you guys. I did not eat this. It's still in my hand.
I'm the man. Ate like 5 times.
Follow us on Tumblr.
I'm gonna squish someone.
He wants his back.